Construct a triangle ABC whose perimeter is 12 cm and the sides are in the ratio 3:4:5. Now draw an acute angle of any measurement. Now take a random distance and now join this point to the end point of our line. The sides of the triangle are in ratio 3:4:5. So we will mark 3 points. First one on the third arc, then on the fourth arc from the previous one, then from the fifth arc from the previous one. So the third arc, first, second, third, this is the point. Then fourth from here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the last one. Now draw an arc from this point of any random distance. An arc from the same distance from this point and same from this point. Now fill the distance. Cut this one and this one from the same distance. Now fill this distance and draw an arc. Fill this distance. Draw the arc. Now this is your vertex of the triangle. Join this. Now this is your triangle A, B,